Wanna know how to fix update errors in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. So we can just fix that under a minute. So let's get right into it. Now first off, simply head towards Play Store and simply open up PUBG Mobile. So simply head towards the search bar and type in PUBG Mobile and open it up. So once you're there, if there is no update showing up, simply select this three dot right here on the top right and then just disable auto update. So this might also be showing no update issues on your PUBG Mobile application. And now once that is done, and if it still doesn't work, what you can do is just simply clear out your cache of Play Store. Now just simply head back to your home screen, just simply hold up your Play Store icon, go to app info, and on the bottom right here you can see clear data. Just simply select clear data and then select clear cache right here. Now once you've selected clear cache, just simply select OK. And once that is done, your cache should be cleared. Restart your Google Play Store and then there could be an update showing up. So next thing you can also do is switching to mobile data. Sometimes the network could be also an issue. So just simply turn off your Wi-Fi and head towards your mobile data as well, which could help solving it. So if it's not still working, remove Google account and then re-add it. And then open Play Store and try again. So for that, just simply head towards this top right profile right here. And then you can just simply switch up or just log out of your account. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.